creating crazy complex machines. The Gadgets, Gizmos and Widgets course at the Sea Island School for Arts and Academics Summer Camp is challenging students in a fun way.
We are making Rube Goldberg machines, and the purpose is to do a really simple task in a really complicated way. So it's one thing leading to another, chain reaction type thing.
The students' machines need to be able to pour a bowl of cereal, and their creations need to use 6 simple machines: an incline plane, a screw, a lever, a wedge, a pulley, and a wheel and axle.
What I was working on, the incline plane, was actually hard because first we were doing it with yarn, and then we figured out it was going way too slow to push the marble down the slide. So then we had to use a fishing line.
I would say the wedge because you can't really use it, and even if you tried to use it, it would probably fail a lot of times. So what I would use the wedge for is just for weight, because it's heavy.
When the students have difficulty, the teachers work with them, helping to find a solution to their problems.
We start asking them questions. Okay, what are you wanting to achieve? What simple machine are you trying to make? Okay, and sometimes we'll take them back to our little store we have back here, and we go through some things. Maybe this will work, maybe that'll work, and try to guide them through their thinking. Not necessarily tell them how to do it, but to guide them.
Building these machines is really testing the students' science, technology, engineering, arts, and math skills.
It puts your mind to a challenge, so where you get stuck, you have to use your brain to fix it.
Not everything comes in a package that you can put together, and that sometimes you have to find odd things to work together to make it work. Because in this life of technology and everything is instant, sometimes they don't understand or see that you can just take unusual things, put them together, and make them work.
The 8-day Arts and Academics Camp ends July 25th at Beaufort Middle School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.